Welcome, all you inspiring people out there. Today we will be painting beautiful flower bushes. So let's get started. Let's get ready with the background first. For this, I have applied a mix of white and phthalo blue on the upper part. At the lower part, I have applied Van Dyck brown with the crisscross brush strokes. I'm using a 12-inch flat brush for the background. Try keeping the corners a bit darker as it will help the eye move into the picture. We will blend in grass green with this Van Dyck brown as we move upwards in the picture. Don't worry if you don't find the exact same colors, as any close shade will do. I have used crisscross brush strokes as it will give the illusion of background bushes. This will serve as a background for the bushes. For background leaves, I have picked up a lighter shade of green on one edge of a 12-inch flat brush and a darker shade of green on the other. We will blend the two shades a bit by working it back and forth on the palette. For making leaves, keep the chisel edge of the brush at an angle and wiggle it, making a fan shape, and then slide to the tip. In the same way, we will make the other side of the leaf. I turn the paper around sometimes as it makes it easier to paint the other half of the leaf. And then pull out the stem. Following the same process, we create random leaves covering the whole area. For the small quick leaves at the top, just push the brush a little and then lift. If you would like me to post a detailed tutorial on how to make leaves or any other painting technique, do let me know in the comments section. I have added a few more layers of leaves, altering the shades of green. This is completely optional as very less of it will be visible in the final picture. To make it even simpler, we can skip making background leaves, as we can achieve the same result by making the final layer of leaves a bit denser. Next, we'll be doing the branches and the final layer of the leaves. We'll create random branches with burnt umber using a liner brush. We'll go over them, making thin lines with burnt sienna to show depth. For the foreground leaves, follow the same process as earlier using slightly brighter shades of green. We can get a brighter shade of a color by adding a bit of a yellow or white to the color. Let's add some flowers to our picture now. For making roses, I double load a 12-inch flat brush with crimson red on one edge and titanium white on the other. Work it back and forth on the palette to blend the colors a little. We will create a petal shape which would be the background petal for the rose. Overlapping the background petal, we will create petals on either side. We will repeat the process for making a few more petals for roses that we wish to put in our picture. For making Rosebud, create a water drop shape. I have switched to a 10-inch flat brush for making small petals in the middle. We will create an arc shape at the center of the background petals, and just below that we will make a U shape which will join up to create a rosebud. Create small petals on either side using the tip of the brush. After this, we create the closing petals. In the same way, we'll finish off all our roses. It helps a lot if we can plan small details such as where we wish to place our flowers or where would we like the eye to focus, etc. in advance, as it brings in a lot of clarity and ease the whole process of achieving the result we are looking for. Add in a few more quick rosebuds if you wish to by just pushing the brush diagonally a bit. Now we'll make the stem and the small leaves holding the roses. Let's add in some lavender to our picture now. For this, we double load a 10-inch flat brush with lavender color and white. I have mixed ultramarine blue and crimson red to make lavender color. Create an inverted U shape for the small petals of the lavender and paint them in the natural growing direction. At last, we create a few more leaves overlapping the flowers to give it a more organic look. Just paint some yellow dots for the stamen of the flower and we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do try your own version of this painting and let me know how it went. Thank you for watching. I'll be posting many more such videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.